Importantly, the 2006 amendments provide for recognition and enforcement of interim measures. There is a debate as to whether interim measures may be enforced as awards under the New York Convention. At the time the New York Convention was entered into in 1958, few jurisdictions recognized that tribunals have the power to order interim measures. This perception has now changed, as can be seen in the 1985 and 2006 versions of the model law. Even though there is a very good argument that they are binding and can be enforced as awards, doubt persists whether interim measures qualify as binding awards. To address this, the 2006 amendments provide a regime for the recognition and enforcement of interim measures.
An essential aspect of constituting a tribunal is the disclosure by arbitrators of circumstances which could raise justifiable doubts. So there's that phrase again, justifiable doubts regarding their impartiality or independence. Most national arbitral laws and certainly institutional rules obligate arbitrators to make such disclosures, both prior to accepting a nomination and in the event of new developments during the course of the arbitration.
Originally, the list system was a closed system which restricted the parties' choice of arbitrators to the names specified in the relevant institutional lists. Nowadays, most arbitral institutions no longer confine the parties to their recommended arbitrators. Most arbitrators still aspire to be listed in or impaneled with as many arbitral institutions as possible.